A lot of what I worked on involved trying to understand like what is true, what is false. Eventually that kind of turned into studying 4chan because it wasn't just about like the beliefs that were being proliferated on the website, but also whether or not the people who were proliferating those beliefs actually believed them. My name is Nick Bythrow, and the title of my div is Diabolical: The Culture of 4chan. 4chan became infamous because of the alt-right and white supremacist ideologies that were spreading online during the 2016 election. It became sort of a hub to proliferate those ideas. My Div 3 takes a look at how the pipeline from 4chan to social media to reality forms. A lot of the professors that I've met have really helped me see my education and really just the world in a different, unique way that goes against the mainstream because I'm able to take my education into my own hands. I think the closest thing to a solution to online disinformation, white supremacy, racism, prejudice is really media literacy. How to identify what is disinformation, what isn't disinformation. Telling stories is where my heart lies, and that's where the Div 3 came from, and that's also where the book came from, which is separate from the Div 3. It's an extended version by about 100 pages or so. This is not my Div 3. This is beyond my Div 3, and you can go beyond your Div 3 too, if you come to Hampshire College.